the Department of Science and Technology National Capital Region and DOST Science Education Institute welcome everyone participating in our forum. We are now joined by our educators from high schools and colleges from Metro Manila. And welcome to STEM e-learning opportunities in the new normal. I am Blaise Dimansueto from the Department of Science and Technology National Capital Region, and I will be your moderator for today. To start with, we are inviting everyone to join us in a prayer to be led by Miss Camille Rose Nakar.
Let us bow our heads and feel the loving presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, we praise and thank you for the gift of life that you have given each one of us today. We ask that you shed us your divine grace so that our webinar will be a success. Shed us your wisdom and guidance so that our speaker and staff could fulfill our tasks responsibly. We also pray that our objectives be achieved and that our participants may gain knowledge derived from this activity. We also pray for those people outside this event. We pray for your guidance and healing to everyone who are battling in this time of pandemic. Give us strength and good health so we could live our lives according to your will. This we ask in Jesus' name, amen.
Thank you, Rose, for your prayer. And in order to facilitate an orderly program, again, I would like to remind everyone to keep your audio muted. You may use the chat box option for your questions and other concerns. For those who are having technical difficulties, please send us your message so the team can assist you. Please be reminded to keep your comments relevant to the discussions and be courteous to everyone in the meeting room. During the program, please use the speaker view by clicking the button located at the top of the screen. In case you get disconnected, simply click the provided webinar link to join the session again. Also, any form of recording is strictly prohibited. Finally, we would like to request everyone to please reflect your name in the following format. Name underscore school or your affiliation, for example, Isabel Garcia underscore DepEd NCR. And now, to officially welcome everyone to today's activity, may we call on our DOST NCR's Regional Director, Director Jose B. Patalinhug III.
Good morning. Do you hear me, Blaise?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay. Our situation at the moment calls for stronger, more dedicated players in our education system. As we are now amidst the new normal, with new ways of living and doing things, there is a dire need to adjust even our education system to ensure that our students continuously acquire knowledge even in these challenging circumstances. In the age of fourth industrial revolution, amidst a pandemic crisis, our education system needed a 180-degree shift. Institutions needed to explore ways on how to bridge learning by blended modes of non-face-to-face sessions, possible by optimizing smart information and communication technologies. For this whole new level of learning in the country, the Department of Science and Technology Science Education Institute, or the DOST SEI, created the DOST courseware, which uses information and communication technologies and systems to provide reference materials on science and mathematics. DOST courseware is aligned to K-12 curriculum and modules were assigned for grade schoolers. More information will be presented about it today. We hope that we all see the digital learning platform as another opportunity to maximize learning and provisions of science information. Our aim in DOST NCR is to make scientific knowledge available for the public in Metro Manila in spite and despite of facing calamities and pandemics. Again, we extend our gratitude to our teachers and instructors who heeded the call to make the challenge on virtual learning. Thank you at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much po, Sir Director Jojo Patalinhug III, for your warm welcome. And to give us another message, may I call on Ms. Ruby Caroliza Dilania, Chief of Science Education and Innovations Division of DOST Science Education Institute.
Okay, so magandang umaga sa lahat. Rinig na ako?
Yes, ma'am. Loud and clear
Okay,
po.
sige. So Director Jose Patalinhog III, Engineer Arman Bionat, mga kasamaan ko sa kagawaran.
Zoom, ah.
Okay. Okay, so ulitin ko lang. So Director Jose Patalinog III, Engineer Arman Bionat, mga kasamaan ko sa kagawaran, mga guro, mga binibini at ginoo, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat sa DOST-NCR sa pag-organisa ng pagtitipon na ito, na kung saan ang bawat isa ay magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na matuto at mapag-usapan ang mga bagong kaalaman na ating magamit sa pagtuturo sa panahon na ito na tinatawag nating new normal. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga guro na nakasama natin sa araw na to. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mahalaga ang papel at tungkulin na ginagampanan ninyo sa paghubog ng kaisipan ng ating mga kabataan na siyang pag-asa natin sa kinabukasan. May kasabihan nga na ang pagtuturo lamang ang propesyon na pinanggagalingan ng iba pang propesyon. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng mga magagaling na siyentista, inhinyero, doktor, at iba pang uri ng mga gawa kung hindi sila matigang ginabayan ng kanilang maguro sa bawat yugto ng kanilang buhay. Kaya nga, tunay na hindi matatawaran ang sakripisyo at dediksyon ng ating mga guro. At ito ay higit na nasubok sa pandemyang kinakarap natin sa kasalukuyan. Nakakarinig tayo ng mga balita tungkol sa mga guro na kailangan umakyat ng bundok upang makasagap ng internet signal, upang makasama lamang sa mga trainings na magdadagdag sa kanilang kaalaman, sa layuning higit na mapabuti ang kanilang pagtuturo. Nakakarinig din tayo ng mga balita tungkol sa mga guro na kinakailangang tumawid ng ilog, umakyat ng ilang bundok, at maglakad ng napakahaba upang makumusta, magabayan, at maibigay ang mga module sa kanilang mga mag-aaral. Kaya nga ba, ituturing ko na isang karangalan ang makasama kayo. Isa kayo sa mga ituturing kong haligi ng ating bayan at mga bayani na hindi sumusuko sa laban ng buhay. Bagkus tinitingnan ninyo ang bawat pagsubok na isang oportunidad upang higit pang mapalawig ang inyong kaalaman at mahasa ang inyong pagkamalikain sa pagnanasang maitaas pa ang kalidad ng edukasyon na ating ibinibigay sa mga kabataan. Kaya nga sa ating mga guro, saludo kami sa inyo. Makaasa kayo na patuloy na magiging kaagapay ninyo ang kagawaran ng agham at teknolohiya sa pagsuong sa new normal at pagsulong para sa hinaharap ng ating bayan. Makaasa kayo na kami ay kaisa ninyo sa mga layunin ng kagawaran ng edukasyon na mabigyan ng magandang edukasyon at magandang kinabukasan ang mga kabataang Pilipino. Bika nga, we heal as one, we work as one. Para sa bata, para sa bayan. Magandang umaga uli sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Mr. B, for your heartwarming message po. So sabi nga ni Ma'am, so kaisa niyo po ang DOST tungo po sa pagpo-promote din po ng science and technology sa ating bansa. And we also would like to thank our teachers and educators po na naging partner na po namin sa iba't ibang programa po ng DOST. So before we proceed to our next part, we would like to encourage everyone po to kindly note of any questions you have in mind during the discussion. So pwede na po natin gamitin yung ating chat box if you have any questions po, and we will ask them po later. We will read your questions po later at our Q&A part. And to know more about our DOST developed courseware and how it is used as an interactive approach in e-learning and in blended learning, it is my pleasure po to introduce our resource speaker. Our speaker for today is a graduate of Bachelor in Science in Office Administration from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila, with diploma in Computer Systems Design and Programming from AMA Computer Learning Center. She earned her Master of Information Technology from University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Laguna. She has certificate in Emerging Trends and Technologies in Virtual K-12 Education with distinction for final grade of 95.6%, provided by Coursera, University of California in Irvine, USA, and certificate in DL 101, General Course on Intellectual Property from World Intellectual Property Organization, Worldwide Academy. She's also project lead of various DOST projects such as DOST SCI 21st Century Model Classroom for the project Access to Resources and Innovations in Science Education or ARISE, and 21st Century Learning Environment, Strategic Intervention Materials for Teaching with Augmented Reality or CIMATAR mobile application, DOST Science Mobile Applications and Related Technologies or DOST Smart, and DOST Courseware and Mobile Application or DOST CMAP projects. She is currently the Science Research Specialist 2 of Science Education and Innovations Division of Science Education Institute, Department of Science and Technology, where she worked for 26 years. And to talk about the STEM e-learning opportunities in the new normal, let us all welcome Ms. Josephine Santiago Feliciano.
Thank you very much, Blaise. Good morning, everyone. And good morning, Director Patalin Hug. Good morning to my Division Chief from SEID, Mama Ruby, Lanya, and to all DOST NCR staff, good morning. And to all the teachers who are in our room today, and to those who are watching us live on Facebook. I will be your resource speaker for this morning to talk about the DOST courseware in Science and Mathematics for e-learning. So let's start our session for today. DOST, please play our presentation. Thank you.
DOST courseware in Welcome to our webinar orientation series on DOST courseware in Science and Mathematics. I am Ms. Josephine S. Feliciano. You can call me Ms. Josh. Of the Department of Science and Technology, Science Education, and ICT. I'm also the project lead for DOST courseware in Science and Mathematics Applications and Related Technologies, or SMART. I'm a Science Research Specialist too, and I took my Master of Information Technology at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños in 2013. What we will discuss today: the DOST courseware, what is it all about? Its platforms, how to avail of our DOST courseware, how to maximize its use, and research on DOST courseware. The Science Education Institute is an agency under the DOST. We are primarily handling or administering scholarships in science and technology. If you heard about the DOST scholarships, we are the one managing it, and we also conduct advanced specialized trainings in science and mathematics, and of course we develop science education innovation programs just like the courseware. We are practically the S&T education arm of the DOST. The DOST courseware, what is it all about? We started our first volume in 2004. That's pre-K-12. SEI conceptualized, produced, and spearheaded the development of the DOST courseware in 2004 in partnership with the Advanced Science and Technology Institute as DOST for module digitization, in cooperation, of course, with the Department of Education, who served as writers, contact persons, resource persons, and consultants from Philippine Normal University and University of the Philippines, National Institute for Science and Mathematics Education, or UP-NISMED. So what is courseware? Courseware is a term that combines the words course with software, so in short, it is called courseware. It is an educational software. Its primary purpose is for teaching or self-learning for teachers or trainers or as tutorials for students or learners. It is usually multimedia, develops an environment surrounding the interactions and transformations of the semantics of the meaning through multimedia. Multimedia being it has sounds, graphics, text, and interactive. The DOSC courseware in Science and Math is a Filipino-developed, all-original, highly interactive multimedia supplementary educational resource packages in science and mathematics. It is a software, a standalone application for school and home use. Our primary goal is to develop and disseminate education technology, supplementary teaching and learning innovation and resources. And of course, to support the upgrading and improvement of science and math education in the country. Our intentions are this. We aim to optimize, streamline, and standardize lesson presentation in science and math through the use of cost-effective and high-quality education technology solutions. We would like to assist, of course, our learners to maximize and enhance the learning through the use of ICT and equip teachers with tools and resources to assist them in lesson planning and blended teaching on hard-to-teach and hard-to-learn topics. In this time of pandemic, we have to adapt to a new normal. Thus, the Department of Education said that we should explore all the possible alternative delivery mode of teaching and learning, which includes the online learning. DepEd recently launched the Advocacy of Educalidad, which addresses the challenge of quality in basic education through the KITE program. So where does the DOSC courseware comes in? Letter I, improvement of the learning environment, which covers learning resources, and DOSC courseware. And of course, our innovations and projects are aligned and supports the K-12 Philippine Basic Education Curriculum Framework. Our platforms. Our DOSC courseware has 3 platforms. We have Windows, we have those for Android and Apple devices. For Windows, we have 413 lessons in science and mathematics. For Volume 1, 102 lessons. This is pre-K K-12 for grades 1 to 6 math, for a total of 430 lessons. For modules in science and math for elementary schools, Volume 1, which was released in 2006. Its parts are introduction concept, activity, and evaluation. And here are the number of lessons, which is 102 for grades 3 to 6 science. We have 42, and for math, grades 1 to 6, 60 lessons. For courseware for grades 1 to 6 math, 12, a total of 60 lessons, and here is the breakdown. For grade 7 Science and Math, Volume 3, released in 2014, the topics are presented according to the structure, concept first, activity, and evaluation. Topics are still applicable to higher grade levels, or grade 9 or grade 10. We have 133 lessons, 73 for science, 60 for math. Science domains are Earth and space, force, motion and energy, living things and their environment, and matter. For math, grade 7, the domains are geometry, numbers and number sense, patterns and algebra. For grade 8 science and math, which was also released in 2014, it's the same lesson presentation and structure. We start with the introduction to concept, and then we have activity, And at the end is evaluation, which is composed of at least 4 to 5 questions. And these are also applicable to higher grade levels, especially I think in mathematics. We have character and setting themes, Magic Academy, Denial, and Predis Love. For courseware grade 8, we have 118 lessons, 57 for science, and 61 for mathematics. These are the science domains: biodiversity and evolution, ecosystems, heredity, inheritance, and variation of traits, parts and functions, structures and functions. For grade 8 math domains, we have arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, integral exponents, linear equations, quadratic equations, radicals, rational algebraic equations. And since our learners today, or the millennials, are so mobile, we opted to transform some of the lessons in mobile applications. In 2016, we started transforming some of the lessons for Android and Apple iOS. These are exactly the same lessons, interface, and functionality with the MS Windows version. The difference is the operating system and the device where you can use them. Laptop or PC for Windows, and smartphone or tablet or iPad for Android and Apple iOS. In 2016, we uploaded modules in Google Play for Android devices. These are grades 1 to 6 math, the whole K-12 1 to 6 mathematics, 60 lessons, grades 3 to 6 science, grade 7 science math, 20, grade 8 science and math, 20, for a total of 112 apps in Google Play. As of March 2020, 52,620 downloads have been made all over the world. And in 2018, we transformed some of our modules into Apple iOS. We have grade 7 science and math, 10 lessons, as well as grade 8 science and math at 10 lessons, a total of 20 apps in Apple Store. We will be transforming more modules for Apple iOS, maybe grades 1 to 6 mathematics next year. For our Apple iOS version, we had about 1,058 downloads or installs as of March 2020. And the good news is that all our versions of the DOSC courseware are for free. In Google Play and Apple iOS, you just search DOSC courseware and install the modules in your devices. For the Windows version, the complete package of our DOSC courseware may be downloaded from sei.dost.gov.ph. Please look for the DOSC courseware logo, and then you will be led to our download page here on the right side. Maybe you could download the Windows version during off-peak hours like nighttime or early in the morning, because these are WinZip files, so it's large files that it will take you about probably 1 hour to download one package if your connection is faster than great for you. What you need to download the courseware, of course, you have to have internet connection, stable, hopefully, and laptop or PC, which has storage of at least 3 gigabytes for all Windows version of the packages. For the mobile device, each lesson is at least 40 to 50 megabytes, and you need Google Play, Gmail account to download from Android devices. In your laptop or PC, copy the whole downloaded zip file in a folder like DOSC courseware, and then unzip the file, open the folder and look for the icons, Here, this is the executable file, and right-click and send to desktop. You do not need the product key or the installation key. Just activate it and you're ready to go. All courseware once downloaded can be used offline or without the internet for Windows, Android, and Apple iOS versions. Once downloaded, use it offline, and there you go. So how do you maximize the use of the DOSC courseware? In the classroom, use the projector. If laptops or PCs are not available for everyone, then you can use your own laptop or PC to project it. If 1:1 laptop and learner, install the courseware in each laptop or PC. They can also install it in their own PCs at home, provide headset or earphone so they could clearly hear the audio of the courseware. If you have a content management server or in each PC unit in computer lab, you can install the courseware in the CMS and then just broadcast it in the computers in your computer laboratory. You may use it in motivation, discussion, or processing, and as, of course, a blended learning tool. Integrate it in your DLL or lesson plan. This is an intervention resource material and can also be a review or advanced topic study material, where if your students cannot really follow, probably you can have one-on-one the student, have the student study the courseware, do the courseware, and it's a standalone. So maybe you can just leave the student there and answer the evaluation and then give feedback, and then they can do it all over and over again. So it's just also serve as a self-mastery tool. If you have tablets in your classroom, ideally 1:1 tablet per learner, and install the courseware in each and provide headset again or earphone. The good thing about the mobile app is that you can use it anywhere, at home and anytime. In a virtual classroom, you can use video conferencing tool like this one that we are using, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangout to broadcast a software, and you can collaborate online. Use the DOSC courseware as supplementary resource material, blended teaching and learning tool. If you heard about the whole brain learning system, outcome-based education teaching and learning tool. So how do we do this? We map and integrate the DOSC courseware. During workshops, we do this. You can also do this in your school or within your group. You have to group according to subject and grade level. Of course, you have to use the learning competency and curriculum guide. Then map the DOSC courseware according to the LC and CG. I would advise for you to scan first the lessons in the DOSC courseware and create a table like this. Grading period with grade or subject, competency, and what DOSC courseware lesson fits the competency, and the part of lesson where you will integrate it, and the manner of usage or intention. How do we distribute our courseware? For Windows version, usually when teachers visit our office, we give the CD packages, and since we are all online and in quarantine, you can download the zip file from the SCI website, can copy and share with fellow educators, learners, family, and friends. For Android and iOS versions, you can use Share It to share it literally, and the good news is that it is unlimited sharing and copying. For the research on DOSC courseware, we encourage you to do a research or study of our courseware, whether it's for action research, research project, thesis, or dissertation, kindly email us if you need CD at doccoursewareph@gmail.com. And what we would like to request you is to just provide us a copy of the result so we would have insights on how to improve our courseware in the coming years. Here is a sample of the study using the DOC courseware by Ma'am Christine of Nueva Ecija, wherein she won as Best Research during the division of Nueva Ecija in a research conference. The title is The Effectiveness and Usability of DOC courseware Integrated with Central Dogma of Molecular Genetics for grade 8 students. And the findings are very positive. Actually, all the research is done in DOC courseware yielded to very good findings. Here's another one by Ma'am Hazel Joyce of the UPLB. She teaches at the UP Rural High School. She won as Best Thesis, College of Education, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Co-creating scripts for computer-supported collaborative learning effects on students' logical thinking and collective efficacy in science. Here are the topics or lessons for Grade 3 Science, Pre-K-12. Grade 4 Science, Grade 5 Science, Grade 6, for Grade 1 Math, Grade 2, Grade 3 Math, Grade 4 Math, Grade 5 Math, Grade 6, and for Grades 3 to 6 Science Android versions, we have 12 lessons. For Grade 3, we have 3 each. For Grade 4, Grade 5, and Grade 6. For Grades 1 to 6 Mathematics, Microsoft Windows and Android. For Grade 1 Math, Grade 2 Math, Grade 3 Math, Grade 4, Grade 5, Grade 6, and for Grade 7 Science Windows version, Grade 7, Grade 7 Science, carrying capacity of ecosystems, flow of energy in the ecosystem, living things, nature, environment, matter, mixtures, elements and compounds, states of matter, symbols of atoms and molecules, solving problems involving geometry, that's for Grade 7 Math, integers and fractions, multiplication of integers, properties of integers, polynomials, binomials, factoring, a lot of lessons in factoring, laws of exponents, intercepts, properties of equality, Solution sets on the number line, solving problems involving money, subtracting polynomials, sum and difference of two terms, translating algebraic expressions to verbal phrases, special products and factoring to solve problems. For grade 8 science, biological system of classification, kingdom fungi, the fern, viruses, effects of technology and evolution, pattern of evolution, primates, theories of evolution, development of a baby, diffusion and osmosis, food production in leaves, natural and human-made ecosystems, roots, scientific method, different life processes, excretory system, respiratory system, human reproductive system, circulatory and lymphatic systems. For grade 8 math, arithmetic means, sequence, geometric sequence, the nth term of a geometric sequence, positive integral exponents, simplify expressions with rational exponents, graphs of linear inequalities, solutions of linear inequalities by graphing, solutions of linear inequalities by graphing, and solving number relation problems using equation in two variables. Quadratic equations, the quadratic formula, solving quadratic equations by factoring, division of radicals, equations containing radicals, multiplication of radicals, direct variation, direct square variation, equations containing rational algebraic expressions, inverse variation, joint variation, solve problems with rational algebraic expressions, the LCD of dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. And for the grade 7 science Android, here are the lessons. We have 10. Physical changes in matter, states of matter, energy sources, force and motion. These are the same module with the Windows version. For grade 7 math, we also have 10. Multiplying polynomials, properties of inequality, factoring completely. And for grade 8 science, for Android, DNA replication, DNA structure, protein synthesis. For grade 8 math, Android, arithmetic sequence, simplifying radical expressions. We will be converting or transforming more lessons in Windows to Android versions for mobile devices. And for grade 7 and 8 science Apple versions, here are the lessons. We have DNA structure, biological system classification, ecosystems. For grade 7 and 8 math, sum and difference of two terms, translating verbal phrases to algebraic expressions, systems of linear equations and graphs. We go to the live demonstration of our courseware. Here. To give you idea how it works, highly interactive. So you just choose the module. For example here, finding the area of a circle. This is for grades 1 to 6 math. Just maximize it. So 3 parts: activity, fixing skills, and evaluation. So you cannot proceed, or the learner cannot proceed to fixing skills without finishing first the activity. And We wouldn't want to make it a habit to escape, so that the learner would fully understand the lesson being presented. And at the end of every lesson, we have the evaluation, and then you can choose another topic. So we have 60 lessons in grades 1 to 6 mathematics or Android version. So now we will have a grade 7 demonstration. So you would see how it looks. So can you share here? And this is grade 7. Choose the topics. For science, for example, you just scroll and then click the lesson. For math, these are the domains. Click and then choose the lesson. Scroll down. For example, patterns in algebra. And then once you've chosen one, press start. And then you're good to go. Press home. These are the menus: home, minimize, maximize, and exit. Some questions here. Activity. You want to go home and go to another lesson, you just press back. Okay. Here's another example. And then for another example, grade 8. We have the same interface with the grade 7 courseware. Choose the topic or the lesson. Science, example. Scroll down. And the graphics are really very nice, and these are all developed and designed by our Filipino artists, programmers, and designers. Here's another one. That one is one theme, and this is Magic Academy theme. All right. So it's so easy to use, very easy to navigate, and the learners and you will not find it hard really to operate the DOSC courseware. So we have a social media site that's DOSC courseware. Search it in Facebook, so you'll be updated in our new projects and innovations. And you can connect with me through our email, dosccoursewareph@gmail.com. And the download site is www.sei.dosc.gov.ph. Salamat po at mabuhay po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Josh, for sharing us the features of the DOST courseware. I think Ms. Josh would like to share more about the courseware. Ms. Josh?
Yes, hello. Good morning
Yes,
again,
ma'am.
teachers from private schools.
Good day,
Thank
everyone,
you
and welcome
again
to our webinar orientation
DOSCNCR and of
series
course
on
Department
DOSC
of
courseware
Education
in
NCR.
Science and
Welcome
Mathematics.
again to our
Yes, ma'am. We can proceed po.
Okay, and some notes before we proceed to our question and answer. Of course, ang ating mode of delivery ngayon, learning delivery modality para sa ating mga anak, marami po yan. But where does the DOS courseware comes in? We can actually classify this as learning offline digital module. No? And we, of course, give license using the Creative Commons licensing for those who are interested or who would like to use the DOS courseware, integrating it in your printed modules or mga video for broadcast. We allow the use of it provided that you use the Creative Commons license. That is BY and NC. These adopt and build upon the material in any medium or format for non-commercial purposes only, and so long as attribution is given to the creator. Like I mentioned, if you are interested to use that for broadcast, because some of schools in the regions, they have local radios and television. So they want to use our courseware as, of course, learning modules. And it includes the following elements. BY, credit must be given to the creator, that is DOST-SCI, or Department of Science and Technology Science Education Institute, and NC, for only non-commercial uses of the work are permitted, or non-profit or non-proprietary, or no selling. So you have to put this symbol or graphic text link in your materials if you are to use our DOS courseware for such purposes. Okay, some takeaway from our webinar today. The DOS courseware may be integrated to self-learning module as an offline self-learning material. So offline po yung ating courseware. You only need the internet when you download it. But once you have downloaded the package in all platforms, Windows or Android or Apple, pwede na po siyang gamitin offline. And you can always conduct a virtual session with your head teacher and group to discuss the integration of the courseware in the most essential learning competency. Okay po. And then, you can always design a pre-test and post-test using the DOS courseware, since at the end of each topic or module, we only have 5 questions, but those are not really very technical, really to assess the learning of your learners. So yes, you can always design a pre-test and post-test using the DOS courseware. And do not forget to share and copy and install our course. This unlimited copying and sharing and installing. If you wish to install the Windows version to your laptops, to your PC, and of course the Android and the Apple versions to your mobile, all the available gadgets or equipments that you have, pwede po ninyo i-install ang ating DOS courseware. And you can download, of course, the courseware regardless of the subject and the grade level that you teach. It's for everyone. You can also share this with your non-science and math co-teachers and the parents, so they could also have a copy of the course. And of course, do not forget the learners. Please advise and post it in your Facebook or social media pages, in your announce it in your classes that you can download the courseware from Google Play and the Apple Store. If I may advise you to download the courseware during off-peak hours, siguro po early in the morning or late in the evening, because peak hour starts from 9 and ends at 4 p.m. Kasi po ito sabay-sabay tayong naka-online, halos lahat nationwide. So because the MS Windows version should be downloaded as a zip file, buong package po iyon. So medyo malaki-laki, mga 800 to 1 gigabytes pa. While Android or Apple versions, yung mobile, mga 40 to 56 MB po each topic or lesson. And if you downloaded the courseware player sa Google Play, meron po tayong tinatawag na player. So this is the menu wherein nakalist yung available Android versions ng courseware. And you need to download still the courseware listed here or the topics. No? Yung courseware player po, parang controller lang yan. But you may opt to download each of the module instead or standalone versions. Pareho lang naman po iyon. Nilagyan lang namin ng parang menu para ito yung pinakang controller nyo or splash page na tinatawag. each topic will work without the menu or courseware player application. Pwede naman po yun, both for grade 7 and 8 and grades 1 to 6 math. And we are at commons of deped.gov.ph. So doon po sa Spotlight, you search DOST courseware. I think naka-upload po doon yung aming mobile versions na Android. So please visit the site also. And do not forget our download page. Ito po yung Windows version, the download site. At sci.doc.gov.ph, you look for our DOST Courseware logo here at the right hand of our website, and then click it, and then you'll be led to the download page. You will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links. Each of the link is equivalent to 1 CD package of the DOST Courseware. So, ito po talaga yung kumpleto na packages ng ating DOST. Sana tiyagain nyo po siyang i-download. And do not forget to share it. And if you are successful to download all the versions, you can put it in a USB and share it with everyone. And for our mobile versions, you can download it from Google Play and Apple Store. Search DOST Courseware. It's also for free. Okay. And we also have a reviewer for our DOST exams. It's Cienciabilidad. You can find it here in our link in our screen. So for those who are interested to apply for DOST scholarships, I think we extended our application until end of October. So mahaba pa yung preparation nila to review for our DOST exams, which will happen next year, our exams. So free to download pa rin po yan. Of course, along with our DOST courseware. And do not forget to like us in our social media site. Look for us in Facebook for updates. And we will post all our other updates on DOST courseware and our other education technologies. Hindi lang po courseware yung aming innovation. Marami pa po. So we will announce it. We will also develop other modules this year. Hopefully, we will be able to upload it in Google Play. So dito nyo po malalaman yung ating announcements. And of course, you can always reach me, dostcourseware.ph@gmail.com, and our website at sci.dost.gov.ph. Okay, Blaze, for our open forum. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Josh. And again, so naka-collect tayo ng mga iba't ibang questions po from our participants. So unahin ko na po yung first question from Ms. Irene Cruz of LPU Manila. So is there any version yet for senior high school, ma'am? And i-add ko na rin po yung ibang questions from our other participants na is there a courseware for Science 9 and Science 10, and also from Math 9 and Math 10.
Okay, thank you, Blaze. Thank you. Yeah, I could see their questions here. Yes, Ma'am Irene, I saw your question also. And Ma'am Julieta and Ma'am Sir Jeffrey. Oo, magkakapareho yung mga tanong nila. Grades 9 and 10, we will develop next year. And we will release it next year, hopefully. For senior high school, after grade 9 and 10, we will develop the senior high school. Okay, medyo ang process nyo po siguro, it will take us 6 months to develop grades 9 and 10. So after that will be senior high school.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, so sana nasagot po. No, if you have any clarifications po, you can chat your questions po in our chat box. And I guess the students po, if they want, ma'am, di ba, to review, if syempre yung foundation naman ng grade 9 and grade 10 module, I think is makikita na natin sa lower grades. Ayun
okay.
Po.
Actually, some of the teachers, they feedback us, even though the module is in hanggang grade 8 lang siya yung available, but some of the topics or lessons are still applicable in grade 9 and 10, especially the math. Yung mga math modules natin. Kasi spiraling yung curriculum. So, huhugutin na lang nila yung module from our package and then integrate it in the most essential learning competencies. So, yes. Thank you.
Yun po. So, may question nga din po tayo. Is there a version for college? So, I think nasagot na po ni ma'am yan. So, are there other things we need to do aside from clicking the lesson on the Android app? This question is from Miss Andrea Denla of Nuestra Señora de Guia Academy of Marikina. So,
Is there
yun.
other things that they do aside from
Aside from
downloading?
clicking the list on the Android
Uh,
app.
you have to install it and then download it and install it. Then after you download the mobile app in Android, pwede nyo na po siyang gamitin offline. Okay? But your storage, medyo i-ready nyo yung mga storage, no? If you wish to download all the 112 available modules in Google Play, and we have, I think, 20 in Apple. Okay?
Ma'am, you mentioned kanina po yung 1 gig po ba yun? Yung memory na consume niya. Good for, ano na po ba siya, ma'am? All the 120 lessons or per grade level po yun?
Well, if I mentioned about 1 gigabyte, that's for the Windows package, yung
Okay.
ating version ng Windows. So each package, yung pinakita kong link kanina, each link is equivalent to one package. So mga 800 MB to 1 gigabyte, siguro kasya na lahat yon. Yung sa 8 gigabyte na USB, yung lahat ng 5 packages na yon for Windows version. But for Apple or Android version, if you have 112 modules times mga 40, if you wish to download, pwede nyo namang i-download lahat. But yeah, you have to have a really large memory or storage to store everything. Or tablets. Maganda siguro tablets. No, i-allocate lang yung tablet na yun for courseware, pwede rin naman.
Okay po.
Okay.
So, may question dito, is this courseware is free for download? Of course, this courseware nabanggit na ni ma'am, di ba free ito ma'am to download. Dapat meron lang po tayong internet connection po to download. And then offline na po siya while we are using the courseware.
Yes,
Okay.
so
Diba,
free
ma'am?
po lahat yan. Free po. You just need the internet while downloading it, but once you installed it, you can use it offline.
Yes po. Ma'am, may question dito na parang from Sir Eric Estabiloto of
Okay.
MCA Manila. May difficulty sila in opening the courseware sa Play Store. Ayaw
Play
daw po
Store.
mag-open.
Okay.
Yes po.
You can email me the error, sir, docourseware.ph@gmail.com, and please screenshot the error that you encountered so I could have a look at it and we'll do the troubleshooting.
Again, ma'am, DOST-courseware
PH.
PH
Okay. At
at
gmail.com.
gmail.com. Okay
Yeah,
po.
that's dostcourseware.ph@gmail.com.
Yan po. So, na-message ko po sa ating chat box.
Yes, please.
Yan po. So, would it be possible to embed the content or videos of the courseware to learning management systems such as the Google Classroom, Henyo, and Schoology, or etc.? From
Okay.
Sir Raymond.
Yeah,
Andre
Sir
Sambote
Raymond.
of St. Paul. College
Good
of Makati.
morning. Yes, good morning, Sir Raymond. When you say embedding, parang you want it parang available there and play it there. I just wonder kasi our Windows version was made to Adobe Flash. So, hindi niya sinusupport yung magpe-play siya sa browser. But you can actually upload the APK files in your Google Classroom, the Henyo or Schoology. You can make a folder there like DOST courseware and then upload the APK files for Android and for yung sa iOS, and then you can have your students download it. Pero I think once you download it from Google Play, installation agad yan eh. Hindi naman siya nasi-save as parang APK as separate file na pwede mo siyang i-install later. So, Sir Raymond, if you want to upload it in your LMS, please email me so I could provide you the APK files. Okay po.
Thank you po, Ma'am Joshua. May questions pa po ba tayo? Mayroon kasing isang question dito. So, Ma'am, may I ask kung pwede pa rin po ba kumuha ng scholarship ang nasa first year in college po? So, about sa scholarship po ito, Ma'am.
Okay, sa scholarships. I think we have a program for JLSS, Junior Level Science Scholarships for Engineering and Education. When they are in third year college, they can take the exams, the qualifying exams for that. JLSS po yung tawag doon. We announced the date of examinations at our website, sci.dosc.gov.ph. So yes, meron pa pong chance. Basta engineering, science and technology, and then education, that's for our GLSS program. Ma'am Alma, thank you.
Yes po. So, visit lang din po natin yung website po ng DOST-SEI po.
Yes.
Yun po, sei.dosc.gov.ph.
Yes.
So, ma'am, can we share it through PowerPoint during our virtual classes from Miss Melanie Jabson of SDO Caloocan Caybigas High School?
Hi, Ma'am Melanie. What do you mean sharing PowerPoint? If you want to screen cap the DOST courseware, in your PowerPoint during visual classes I mentioned earlier, just give us credit here. Sa Creative Commons licensing po yung gagamitin natin. Kasi yung teachers, they capture it, yung pinakang lesson. If the students will not be able to download the courseware, itself, you can do so, but we will be governed by the Creative Commons licensing. Ito po yung graphic na you have to use, and then acknowledge that this is DOST-SCI graphics or screenshots that you are using are the material. Ito po yan. Okay?
Okay na tayo, ma'am. May similar question po tayo.
Okay.
From Miss Maria Joey Rojas of Golden Success College and Miss Alea Victoria. So, meron na po bang courseware for preschoolers?
Oh, yeah. Thank you for that question. Wala pa po tayong courseware for preschool, but we will consider, yes, maybe a courseware for preschool. Although our courseware started with grade 1. So, yes, thank you for mentioning that. Noted, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, our next question is, do you have scholarship for graduate school? Meron ng DOST, ma'am. Paki-explain po.
Yes.
Yung scholarship natin for graduate school.
Yes, we have a lot of slots available for PhD and masters. All science education courses, of course, and engineering courses for masters and PhD. Just visit our website. That's sei.dost.gov.ph, and then I think doon po sa download tab or page, you can download the brochure of our graduate programs for PhD and masters. We need more scholars for graduate school, so apply na po kayo.
Yan, apply na.
Yes.
Apply lang po kayo. So, visit us po, sei.dost.gov.ph. Okay, question po, ma'am. Delay po ba matatanggap ang allowance sa scholarship para makapag-prepare din ng money if ever? I think regarding po ito sa graduate school pa rin po.
Okay, we are trying as much as possible to have your allowances updated. We have staff who works or comes to the office to process your allowances. Please search Science and Technology Scholarships over at Facebook, and we have staff who are ready to answer your questions for your follow-ups on your concerning your scholarships. Yes, search on Facebook. That's STSD, Science and Technology Scholarships Division.
Okay, so I think wala na tayong questions. Meron na pala po ba? And I think wala na po tayong questions. Ayan po. Again, so if meron kayong questions in mind na hindi po nasabi ngayon, you can contact po si ma'am by emailing at dostcourseware@gmail.com. So pwede naman din po through us. So you can email din po us or you can chat us through Facebook po. So we have DOST National Capital Region sa aming mga Facebook. And I would like to request po na you can share this din po, itong video po natin na available po ito because we are on live sa Facebook po. And sana mas marami pa po tayong makapag-download ng ating apps, of course. So niro-roll out po ito all over the Philippines po. Yan. So we are conducting, di ba ma'am? We are conducting several fora, region, sa iba't ibang regions po.
Yes. Thank you very much, DOST NCR, and of course, DepEd NCR for facilitating our webinar on STEM e-learning opportunities in the new normal. and specifically the DOST courseware. And please do not forget to like our Facebook page, search DOST courseware also for updates on our latest releases of the DOST courseware and other education and technology innovations. Hindi lang po courseware, we still have CIMATAR, Strategic Intervention Material for Teaching with Augmented Reality, which we will be launching next year, and other storybooks. So please watch out for our other education technologies and innovations next year. Thank you very much again, teachers from private schools. Keep safe, everyone, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Josh, and to virtually award our Certificate of Appreciation. Okay po, allow me to read the inscriptions. Okay, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Science and Technology, National Capital Region. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby granted to Ms. Josephine Santiago Feliciano for sharing her expertise in the training on STEM e-learning opportunities in the new normal, held on October 23, 2020 via Zoom. Signed by our DOST Regional Director, Jose V. Patalinhog III. Thank you very much, Ms. Josh.
Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. Keep safe. Para sa bata, para sa bayan. Salamat
po. Para sa bata, para sa bayan. And of course, to officially end our program, I would like to thank po everyone po, our teachers and educators, for being with us po and for joining us. So sana po you share the word po na meron pong DOST develop, Filipino develop technology like the DOST courseware to help us po in our blended and other forms po of learning for our students. And of course, this is malaking help din po ito para sa ating mga teachers. And may we, again po, if we want to hear from you po, so please po provide your feedback. Yan po. So we would like to hear from you po through the evaluation po. So tell us your feedback po. And also para makapag-issue rin po kami ng certificate of attendance. So please click lang po yung link or please type the link po sa tinyurl.com/DOSTcourseware. Yan po. Again, maraming salamat po and please like us on Facebook, DOST National Capital Region. We are also available on Twitter at DOST_NCR and in Instagram. So if you have any questions po or any way po na we can extend the help of DOST to your schools, please message us lang po. Pwede po through email and pwede rin po through Facebook. Thank you very much po.
Class picture daw, Blaze.
Okay, so can we request po to turn on your videos po? Ayan, so I think yan, marami po tayong okay. Wait lang po ha.
Magagandang lalaki at magagandang babaeng mga guro.
Yes po, yan. So, bilang lang po ako, okay? 1, 2, 3, smile. Wait, madami po tayo. So, next 7, ano po ito, pages ha. So, maintain lang po natin yung
smile
natin.
Yes. And again, please apply for our DOST graduates scholarships. Marami po kaming slots na available. So, please visit our website at sei.dost.gov.ph, and for questions on DOST courseware, dostcoursewareph@gmail.com.
Okay. Ayan po, last. Ayan, so again, thank you very much po for joining us for today. And alam ko pong busy po ang ating mga teachers, of course, ang ating mga educators. And again, thank you very much po sa DepEd and sa mga schools po na nag-join po for today. And I hope you spread again the word po of DOST courseware. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you po. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.